Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to gaming-canada.com. Repairs and useful videos how to help yourself to make some small repairs with the PS4 systems. For this particular repair, which is replacing the used thumbsticks on a PS4, you're gonna need a couple of tools, which is a screwdriver size Ps4, tweezer, and thumbsticks. So tweezer screwdrivers and 2 thumbsticks. The thumbsticks you can get with us also for very affordable price at www.gaming-canada.com. Also, if you are me, you're gonna need additional ingredients, and that's coffee. Alright, we can start. So first what you're gonna need to do is to remove these 4 screws, which is very easy. If you drink too much coffee like me, you're gonna have hands shaking. Put the screw somewhere safely so you don't lose them. Right, then we're gonna separate the controller. Don't be afraid to use a little bit of force, but be careful not to break it. Alright, we're gonna need to detach this cable. You can do it with your hands or with the tweezer. Then we can separate these 2 parts. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the battery off. Also we can do it with the tweezer or with your hands. Take the cable off. Next thing is take this part, which is a reset button. It's just, you take it off like this, keep it somewhere safely. Next part is this plastic battery holder. Place it here. After we have only 1 small screw to take off. Alright, we take this screw off, and also don't forget this cable here. You need to lift the cover, take out the cable. Now we can flip this board upside down and carefully take off the old thumbsticks. If we need some cleaning, we can clean it, but this one is nice and clean. We're gonna place new thumbsticks. Carefully, don't break anything. Press it down. Alright. Then we're gonna, give me 1 second, be careful for the wires. We're gonna place it back. Now put back the cable. We go everything in a reverse way. Put the cover back. Alright. Now we put back the plastic part. Yeah. Put back the reset button. Then we put back the battery. Alright. Now we attach back the cable. You see, it's working. And carefully we put back the, first we put back this part, and then this part, then it goes easily together. Yeah, make sure you attach everything properly, and then we can place back the screws. As I said, too much coffee, the hands are shaking. Alright, that's it, ladies and gents, and we have ourselves brand new thumbsticks ready for gaming. That was all. Please follow us, and you can get all the cool stuff, games and consoles and accessories, these thumbsticks parts, at www.gaming-canada.com.